Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Chrissy M and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I am going to create a nice fun makeup look for my Makeup Monday. So let's get into it, you guys. So I've already prepped my face, I've done my brows, I've added on my concealer and everything, and now I'm just going to prime my eyes with some of that new Rihanna Fenty Beauty concealer. So you guys, today I'm going to do my eyes first, followed by my foundation. So I have this City Mini palette by Maybelline, you guys. I don't remember what color palette this is. It's on my thumbnail. So I'm going to go in with my very first color, you guys, and I'm going to just blend that into my upper eye. Next, I'm going to go in with my transition color, which I'm going to use a brown because I want a little bit more of a smoky look to my eyes, since I am going to be using more of your corals, soft pinks. And so I'm just going to gently transition that brown into my eye and create a nice smoky look. Next, you guys, I'm going to go in with that coral color. It's more like coral, a little orangey, but more coral, you guys. I'm going to add that into my eyelid, the top part of my eye lid, and blend it in very nicely, you guys. I had to add like 3 shades of this in order for me to get this brightness to it, because it wasn't as bright as I thought it was. Next, you guys, I'm going to go with a soft pink color. I love this soft pink. I think it is so fab, and I think that it looks really great on my skin tone. If you have a more darker or more mid to darker skin tone, these colors and this shades look fantastic on you. I just love this palette scheme. It has some really nice winter-like colors. Next, I'm going to go in, you guys, with more of a silvery shimmery color. I'm going to go up underneath my eyebrows, you guys, just to give me a nice highlight there. Alright, you guys, now it's time to get a little dramatic. I mean, a lot of dramatic. And let's get this cat eye going. I want to make sure that this look is very unique and as dramatic as possible. So I'm going to create a nice cat eye, not a big one, but more of a mini cat eye on the eye, just kind of going over my eyelid to create that nice wing effect to my eyes, you guys. This is going to really set off my makeup and set off the eyeshadow itself and stand out. You guys, I found this freaking gold glitter. Oh my gosh, that I got like months and months ago, and I'm just going to outline that cat eye with this gold glitter. This gold glitter is everything, you guys. Like, I need to find more colors like it so that I can incorporate it into my makeup for future makeup tutorials. But this is super cute, you guys. I'm sure they would have this type of glitter at any of the makeup stores. I just so happened to get this one from a clothing store that I was working at. And first of all, you guys, I've had this Victoria's Secret shimmer glitter for years and years and years. So I'm actually going to go up over my eyebrow, up under my eyebrow again, you guys, to give me a more goldy, brighter effect on there, just to kind of brighten that eye out, bring out more of that color. So we did use a nice shimmery, a silver one, but I'm actually going in again, you guys, with the gold to make my eyes pop out even more, to make that gold glitter eyeliner pop more. You guys, heaven on earth, these magnetic eyelashes are so fabulous. They put the glue and the strip lashes to shame. If you do not have a pair of these, you guys, you need to go get you some today. I got these from Target, and yes, you guys know I'm not sponsored by this company, okay, you know, but if they want to, hey, I'm good with that. But you guys, they're super easy to put on. They're not messy at all. There's no mess, and honestly, what I would pay for some glue and some lashes, it's like honestly the same price. So just easier, and they're better to put on to your face, and they stay there all day. You can get up to 15 wears with these, you guys. the price on these, I got like more of a lower budget price, so these are like 15 bucks, but the more volumized ones, they were like 20 bucks. They are so worth it, you guys, and for the length of time that you're going to be able to have them and keep them and wear them, it is so worth it, you guys. So you just put the top part, there's two sets, so you put one on top and then one just clamps the one to the rest of it, and voila, you have a new set of lashes. Okay, alright, you guys, let's get into our foundation. I am using the Fenty Beauty foundation. My color is 420, you guys. I'm going to use my foundation brush to gently put the foundation onto my face. You guys, I normally do about 2 coats of this foundation. It is a matte foundation, so it'll blend in very nicely with my skin tone, and that's what I love about it. I have oily skin, and anytime that I wear this, I get so many compliments. It's almost like a second skin for me, you guys. This is really an amazing product, and if you have not tried the Rihanna Fenty Beauty foundation, go get you some today, because it is really, really a great product, you guys. So I'm just going to blend this in, you guys, into my skin, and then we're going to move into our next step. Now this setting spray, you guys, is by Naked, I want to say it is. It's a cherry scented, it's an all night, all day cherry scented setting spray, you guys. And it just sets your makeup and keeps it nice and fresh throughout the whole day. Now I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty concealer, Rihanna's new concealer, you guys. I really like it, although I should have went maybe another shade lighter, only because it gives me a nice highlight, but I do want a little bit lighter, especially when I go up underneath my eyes. It's still a nice little shade, a nice little color. It is lighter than my foundation, but I need to go a little bit lighter just so that can give me a nice highlight, you guys. But the product is really, really good, and it blends really nicely into the skin, especially when it sets, you guys. It is just amazing. Like, just like her foundation, it just gives you a natural glow, a natural look to the face, you guys, and it's just perfect. She's really created a nice makeup line and brand for, you know, women. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going to go in with my concealer. This is my favorite palette that I use on a daily basis, you guys. I'm just going to use a darker shade to just give me a nice like sculpting and shaping of my face and go around the top part of my forehead, you guys, to kind of cover up a little bit of the highlight, but not really. Like, I want my highlight to stand out, so I'm just going to kind of blend in a little bit. And we're also going to sculpt our cheeks too, so we can add that nice highlight. So now, you guys, it's time to sculpt that nose, you know, slim it down a little bit. My nose is already slim, but it doesn't hurt to, you know, make it part of the process. I mean, everybody else is doing it, huh? So, you guys, I'm just going to shape my nose just to more of a smaller, slimmer style. And then I'm just going to gently take that brush and then just blend it into my makeup. Okay, you guys, now it's time to look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. No, I'm just kidding, guys, but seriously, we're going to add a little bit of shimmer to our nose to kind of give us a nice glow effect. Not too much, just a nice dusting. And e.l.f., you guys already know e.l.f. is my favorite product. This is a white translucent setting powder. I'm going to brush, excuse me, I cannot talk today. I'm going to brush a little bit of that setting powder up underneath my eyes, you guys, just to give me a nice, clean, matte look. It's just going to set the makeup and make it look even flawless. Okay, you guys, this Fit Me by Maybelline is a nice pink. It's like really a pastel pink, you guys. Blush. I haven't gone this pink with my blush at all until now, but I think that it's a really nice shade and color for my skin tone. Granted, I had to add like at least multiples of, you know, strokes to my face, but hey, it is what it is. And I'm also going to go over that with my Spark by Morphe highlighter to give me a nice glow to my face. This looked so fab, you guys. Like, it blends very well. The pink with this nice highlighter, it looks fabulous. Okay, you guys, I'm going to take a little bit of that Victoria's Secret shimmer powder and just go on the creases of my eye to kind of, again, make my eyes pop out even more, stand out even more. It'll bring that nice pink out, as well as that nice coral, orangey coral color to the eye. Okay, actually, you guys, this is blush. It's not really it's not really an eyeshadow, but I'm going to use a little bit of this blush. I cannot talk, y'all. This blush to go up underneath my eyes just to create a nice color to the eye. I just really want to color, you guys. I'm just adding color at this point. I feel as if it looks really nice. It complements the makeup. It looks really nice with that. And I'm just adding some eyeshadow. Not eyeshadow, you guys. I'm adding some mascara to my eyelashes at the bottom. All right, you guys. So my makeup is coming along very well. Now it's time to get those lips together. I'm using a Marc Jacobs nude lip to line my lips up before I apply my lipstick. I'm going to go with more of a nude today, you guys. And I'm going to bring it out with a little bit of a MAC glitter gloss. So here you see me adding on, this is more of a nude, but to me, you guys, is more of a pinky nude. Like, it's very pinky. So when you see me put it on, it looks pink, like very like pink. I don't know how I felt about it at first, but I think it's a really nice color if I add some gloss up over it. I couldn't wear it by itself. It doesn't look right on me. And so you guys, this is the MAC gloss. It's like glass gloss. I'm just going to put that over my lips, you guys, and it's going to give me a nice pinky sparkly lip. I love this stuff. Like, this is really good. I actually have another MAC gloss and it's so thick, but this one is perfect. All right, you guys, and that finalizes my makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. I hope that you like this look. And if you want to steal this look, go for it, y'all. I do not care. If you are not subscribed to my channel, you guys, make sure you go ahead and click that bell on the side. And, oh, actually, first of all, make sure you click the subscribe button and then click the bell on the side so you are alerted when I upload new videos. Bye, guys.